AEBS fault. This is a Renault D range, guys. Just going to take a quick look at this one, and in particular this particular fault code. So we're going to pop the cover off, get plugged in, see what fault codes we've got, and go from there. The customer has reported it is flashed on and flashed off on the dash, so we need to get into diagnose, as we can see there, check our fault codes, which is, if I remember rightly, U3 00029, electronic control unit signal invalid, and that is saying that it is receiving a dodgy signal from one or more components in that system. So when you go through onto guided on this one, guys, as I'm going to show you in a moment, it will tell you that this is a software issue. Update the software. If it happens again, replace the ECU, and that being the DACU. Apparently this has already been in before, so I need to go back to product history, as you can see there, and have a look through to see what's previously been done. And on product history, helpfully that has not recorded any information at all. So I'm going in blind on this one, so I've got to start from the beginning, and the first thing I'm going to do is go over to program. But if we have a look here at guided, it will tell you there that DACU software error, lane POS ECU failure. So what we're going to do is go through and make sure everything is up to date, and as you can see there, we have got updates available for the DACU, FLS and the LPOS. So we're going to go in and replace hardware. Sorry, because there was no updates available. Sorry, so we're going to reload the software that is already on there, just to make sure there's no errors in it. Then we're going to go back, clear our fault codes. I'm going to calibrate the yaw rate sensor. I've had this fault code on another D range, and it took several hours to figure that out, and it was actually the yaw rate sensor that was at fault, and that took several of us to figure this out. So the next thing is we need to calibrate the LPOS, so we need to make sure we are set distance away from the target board, get the target board up, get that calibrated. And after this one, guys, we are actually going to go and calibrate the FLS, which is the radar. That must be calibrated after the camera on the newer vehicles. I think it's anything 2018 onwards, the FLS has to be calibrated as well, so don't forget to do that. So that calibration went well, this calibration went well, so I'm happy that we're now going to return the vehicle to service, and fingers crossed this has cured the fault. Failing that, when it next comes back in, we will be fitting some new parts, mainly in LPOS, and go from there. So thanks for watching, guys. Drop us a follow.